this. I can clip through this
Hey
material.
hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm unplugging the brain in M company because I'm bored. Okay, I'm just gonna start it now. Okay guys, let's
Never mind.
go! Let's go!
Get shot up, Mr. President. My bad, my finger slipped. I chewed my nails off
Okay,
waiting for people.
Get your stuff, we're gonna go unplug the brain thing.
Why are we unplugging the brain?
Because I'm bored.
Are we going to the server map?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be the taxi.
Okay, you never really signed up for that exactly, but now you did. Let's go!
Hey,
Where are we going?
okay. Battery end. Alright, chat, let's go. Hey, only I know how to get to Battery Land. Okay?
No,
It's a
only
very
I
secret
do.
place.
Only I do, bro.
Are you sure you know how to get to Battery Land?
Yeah. You just gotta drink battery acid.
Wrong.
Oh, well that's how I enter it.
For me, that would be cannibalism.
Wait, what?
Because I am battery acid.
Oh.
Yeah, it's so black.
By the way, I have no items.
Haha, I have items and you
I
don't.
gotta exit backwards.
Okay guys, let's go.
I remember when this map first came out, it was literally in the teleport gun was the most OP thing.
Go back left.
Okay
No,
guys,
Oh, you gotta get fly, chat.
I have no idea where we're supposed to go.
we gotta follow the right wall. Come on, bro, let's get back to the start.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, chat, wait for me, wait for me.
He's gonna fly.
Chat, wait for me.
It's a dead end over there, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Guys, left is Get back, boy!
He doesn't like your ugly face.
Just catch a press.
Follow me.
Okay,
Follow
Jack,
me.
don't worry. I know where I'm going. I don't know where you are going, but I'm going the right path. You scared me!
Shoot him up. B? B,
Oh,
where
it's
did you
always
go?
the right path. Yeah!
Where did B go? I think B got slime, bro. No, just wait a minute.
Are you dead?
No.
Hello.
See, we just had to follow the right wall, guys.
If I die, it's your fault.
Yeah, following the right wall actually works. Trust, guys.
That hoodie.
EVP of the 11 tweet.
Boom.
Oh, hello, are you lost, mate? Are you lost?
Okay, never mind, don't run.
Open the creek. Guys, Rubber Ducky's gonna give us luck.
Everybody, always the right
Guys, Rubber
path.
Ducky's giving us luck.
Okay, now straight is the right path.
He will take us to the path, guys. Yeah, I told you, this is Rubber Ducky could do it.
Okay, like I said, if I die, it's your fault.
Oh look, it's green in here. Oh god, now it's super dark.
I just shit my pants, that was so scary.
Same.
Yeah, same twin. Yeah, same twin.
I think it's red.
Take
I
that
didn't even
in.
touch the
Take
water.
that
I
in.
just voted chat. So I can't even vote now.
You guys
I
are
don't
going the
even
wrong
know where
path.
to
The
go.
path is over here.
Seriously? Chat? Uh-oh.
Me and my friend have gone here before, so we can get
Ooh.
a HDMI thing, VHS. By the way, you can grapple on the walls.
Oh, chat, I'm about to die. Help. I'm sorry, Mr. Ducky. I'm gonna have to
Don't you
sacrifice
dare
you.
die.
I had to sacrifice
Yo,
Mr.
chat,
Rubber Ducky.
battery acid, which means I'm immune to this stuff.
I'm sorry, Mr.
Oh, I
Rubber
guess
Ducky.
you're immune too.
Mr. Rubber Ducky was a great soldier. But he had to get
Oh, I can
slime.
swim.
No!
GEO, big brain.
Is he dead? Are you
Chat,
dead?
fuck. Got him.
No, I swam to the bottom.
I got slime. I'm dead. My body
Got you.
Hey! Oh! Scuba
Hello.
diving.
He
Dude,
couldn't
I
die.
got here
I
easy,
don't know what my
no
body is.
problems.
My body's right here, chat. We're chilling.
Okay, do not die, mister.
I'll try not
Fact,
to.
I'm reporting you because you
I'm
died.
reporting you to the Discord.
No, I'm
Revive me, revive me.
first.
Revive me.
No, I don't want to revive you.
Chat, where do I go?
Okay, guys, don't die.
Come on, John, I'm at the brain charger already.
No! Help me! Help me!
Probably done.
You wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Yo!
You keep going. I mean, my bad.
Wait, what?
Did you just say your last name was Burger?
I can't hear you. I'm going to assume it's going to get canceled though. Okay guys, we have to find the little plugin. And trust me, chat. I have no idea what it does.
Come on, we gotta pull the cable out.
That's one of the reasons.
But I mean,
What happened?
Guys, we're in Battery Land, guys. What the 67? We're in Battery Land.
hey guys, you should all become robots. Become a robot.
I am a battery. I am a battery. I am a battery. Battery active.
Back.
Yo!
LAR Coda.
Your batteries. Become a battery now. Come back.
It's a PvP by the way. You killed me.
Let's see. Is there anyone else? No.
I can check it out. Oh no!
Revive me! Revive me!
Nope.
Revive me!
Chat, can you stop punching me like a punching bag?
No, because you are punching bag. You're my personal little punching bag. Can I still double jump? Ugh. coming back. Boom.
Ladies, chill.
No, never.
Activa!
No, I don't wanna. My stash full.
Activa.
Why is my stash full? And why do I have all this random crap?
Hey, bro, check if you have any messages. Someone gooned on Skibbity Toilet, guys.
Not now. I don't wanna. Y'all can have it. I don't want it. It's wasting stuff in my stash. Okay, there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna put that.
Oh, red left.
Bruh.
Okay, so everyone basically hates me on the Animal Company Discord server. So you gotta repost the code
Why?
because everybody hates me.
So?
And nobody's joining because of me. So you gotta repost it.
Banana.
So just post the code. Ooh, pickaxe.
Okay. Not now, because I don't feel like it. In fact, actually,
Okay, then I'm just
let's have a
gonna
war.
edit this message. A war?
Yeah, come on. I'm going to kill you with a teleport finger. Are you posting the code?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, this is not a war, it's still a video.
What?
Join code VR for a video.
Let's fight! Take your teleport daggers.
No.
I wanna fight you. I'm better.
Oh.
I'm better.
Have you been playing since the hands were horse hoofs on the gorilla? Before cosmetics existed? Before the computer existed?
Yeah. Yeah, we have like a keypad thing instead of a keyboard.
Mm-hmm. Before you could even change your own color? When did you start playing?
I don't know. Like the second ever update, maybe?
Okay, so when you started playing, was there Haunted Mansion?
Yeah.
Okay, that's like the 10th update ever?
I have no idea.
Cause I started playing right when Sewers was added. AKA probably about the 3rd update ever.
I played when colored backpacks were out.
Yeah, I played before that.
Bleh. Now I definitely want to kill you. I missed. Come here.
I'm gonna go play arena mode.
Okay. But I don't want to have a war. Okay, guys, I'm bored, so like and subscribe.
What is this video about?
Who are you?
What is this video about?
I don't know. The video just ended.
No, it didn't.
I wasn't even the one who posted that on the Discord.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. That's the other person. Okay, but yeah, I'm bored, so like and subscribe.